Is your Android storage running low? Uninstalling unnecessary apps can boost your phone's performance. In this video, we'll show you simple methods to delete apps on your Android device. Let's get started. Part 1. How to delete apps on Android phone or tablet from computer. Well, how do I uninstall an app from a larger screen with simple taps? Can I remove all that I don't want on my phone? Give Mobikin Assistant for Android a shot, and you'll find the thrill of controlling your Android phone remotely. Step 1. Start the program. Have the software installed after the free download. Run it and connect your Android phone or tablet to the computer with the USB cable. Next, follow the on-screen prompt to let the tool recognize your phone. Step 2. Enter the app managing screen. Once the recognition is successful, the program will categorize all your Android data types on its screen. Here, click Apps from the left panel and choose User Apps to reveal all Android applications. Step 3. Uninstall apps on Android Preview and choose any number of apps you want to remove from your phone. Finally, tap on Uninstall on the top menu bar to uninstall them instantly. Part 2. How to delete apps on Android phone from settings. Open your Android settings. Click Apps or Apps and Notifications. Choose See All Apps. Locate the app you wish to delete and select it. Tap on Uninstall and touch OK to speed up your phone. Part 3. How to delete apps on Android device via home screen or app drawer. Press and hold on to an app in the home screen or the app drawer. Drag it to the uninstall section that turns up on the screen. Press OK to delete this app. Part 4. How to delete apps in Android phone via Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store. Tap profile icon top right. Select Manage Apps and Device. Tap Manage. Check Apps to delete. Tap Trash Can icon. Confirm uninstall. Part 5. How to delete apps on an Android phone or tablet via ADB. Install Android SDK tools, enable USB debugging, and connect your phone. In ADB, run ADB shell, CD system app, ls. Use ARM app name APK to uninstall and reboot to restart. Part 6. How to delete apps in safe mode on Android. Power off phone. Press power to boot. Hold volume down for safe mode. Go to Settings Apps, select App. Tap Uninstall. Part 7. How to disable system apps on Android. Open Settings, Apps. Find the app. Tap Uninstall Updates. Disable all permissions. Go to App Info, then disable or force stop.